Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Studio 6 Lafayette, Louisiana I-10 and I-49 North. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. This Louisiana motel is 15 minutes north of downtown Lafayette and the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. It offers on-site laundry facilities, free morning coffee and rooms with cable TV. The simple rooms include a work desk and telephone with free local calls. A private bathroom is also offered in every room at Studio 6 Lafayette, Louisiana. I-10 and I-49 North Zoo of Acadiana is a 20-minute drive from Studio 6 Lafayette, Louisiana. I-10 and I-49 North Lafayette Regional Airport is 7.3 miles away. The Lafayette Science Museum is 10 minutes away by car. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.